Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to geography class. So, in the last class, we were discussing different types of farming. The main two types are subsistence farming and commercial farming. And we already discussed these types of farming in subsistence type, isn't it? So, next we are moving on to commercial farming. Okay, so from the name itself, it denotes what it is. Commercial means for yes, to sell in the market, for selling in the market. The production of agricultural crops are done for selling in the market. Okay, so let us discuss what are the types of commercial farming and which are the crops grown in these types of commercial farming system. Okay, so actually commercial farming in that type crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. Okay, and this type of commercial farming, the land area under cultivation is very large. Then capital or the money spent is also very high, and the farmers use very sophisticated and modern technology, means machineries for this purpose, and a very large number of laborers are also very essential for this type of commercial farming. Okay, so it includes different types like commercial grain farming, then mixed farming, and plantation agriculture. So let us discuss one by one. So the first among them is commercial grain farming. Okay, so in this type of agriculture, in this type of farming system, especially two, three varieties are commonly grown in the field. That means wheat and maize. So these are the two common commercially grown grains in the system. So major areas where commercial grain farming is practiced are temperate grasslands of North America, then Europe and Asia. Grasslands means subtropical, not subtropical, sorry, mid latitudes. Moderate climatic conditions are there. So in sixth standard you have learned the heat zones. In that topic, the two important heat zones, that means beyond the torrid zone there are two temperate zones, means mid latitude between poles and tropical region. So they experience very moderate climate, very moderate amount of rainfall, etc. So the grasslands of North America, Europe and Asia are very well known for this type of commercial grain farming, and the two important varieties grown are wheat and maize. Okay, and these areas are sparsely populated with large farms spreading over hundreds of acres. So severe winters restrict the growing season and only a single crop can be grown. So winters are very dangerous for especially this wheat. Okay, during the harvesting time, if the winters are going on, that is very dangerous for the crop, dangerous for the harvest also. So the important two varieties of crops grown in this type of farming, in this type of commercial grain farming is are sorry wheat and maize. So very extensive land may be under this type of farming. That means only single crop, only one crop is cultivated in that large land. Okay, very vast land of agriculture. Okay, so the next type is mixed farming or mixed cropping. Okay, that means yes, growing more than two types, more than one type of crops, not only for sale in the market. It may be also for the purpose of food and fodder for the cattle. Then another important thing about this mixed cropping is a variety of animals may be reared in this type of mixed farming or mixed cropping, and it is most popularly practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, the New Zealand and South Africa. Okay, and the next type of commercial farming is plantation agriculture or plantation type, and this commercial type of farming, it is used by cropping a single type of product. That means a single crop is grazed, sorry, grown in a very vast area. So, plantation is a type of commercial farming where a single crop of tea, coffee, cashew, etc. are grown. Then, large amount of labor and capital are required for this particular plantation agriculture. You may see in that tea plantation, coffee plantation, maybe rubber plantation, etc. Okay, it's a very common ഇൻ ഹൈ റേഞ്ച് ഏരിയ ദിസ് ടീ പ്ലാന്റേഷൻ. നിങ്ങൾ മൂന്നാർ, ഇടുക്കി അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഹൈ റേഞ്ച് പ്രദേശങ്ങളിൽ പോയിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാരാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാൻ പറ്റും. ഒരു വലിയ ഒന്നോ രണ്ടോ അടുത്തടുത്തുള്ള കുന്നുകൾ നിറയെ ഇതുപോലെ ടീ പ്ലാന്റേഷൻസ് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് എ സിംഗിൾ വെറൈറ്റി ഓഫ് ക്രോപ്പ് ഇസ് ഗ്രോൺ ഇൻ ദിസ് plantation, then like sugar cane, coffee, tea, then cashew, rubber, banana, cotton, etc. Then for this particular type of farming, a very large amount of labor and capital are required. Okay, so the produce may be processed on the farm itself or in the nearby factories. ഈ ടീ പ്ലാന്റേഷൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് തന്നെ ഓരോരോ കമ്പനിക്ക് ആ പ്ലാന്റേഷനകത്ത് തന്നെ എന്തുണ്ടാവും, ഫാക്ടറീസും ഉണ്ടാവും. ഈ ടെൻഡർ ലീവ്സ് പ്ലക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെ പ്രോസസ്സ് ചെയ്ത് ഡസ്റ്റ് ടീ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്, അല്ലേ? That means carrying this product to a far away place may damage that product. Okay, so the development of transport network is thus essential for such farming. So the major plantations are found in the tropical regions of the world. That means especially rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples of plantation agriculture. So these are the important types of agriculture or farming systems practiced all over the world. There are two main types. Which are they? Yes, the subsistence farming and commercial farming, and we also discussed different types of these two varieties. Okay, and in the first topic we discussed the different aspects of farming system. That means important processes involved in that particular activity and the important inputs and outputs also. Okay, so please go through the topic, read the textbook, then we will see in the next class. Okay, please go through the chapter. If you find any difficulty, please contact me. കേട്ടോ, നമുക്ക് ഇനി അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാണാം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.